Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody is safe and happy and trying to stay at home just as much as you can, guys. It's best just stay at home as much as you can. Make sure you're washing your hands and everything. I know it's not fun, it's boring, but you know what? It's something we got to do right now. And I heard quarantine's been pushed till I think April 30th. It's probably going to go on longer than that, but y'all, we could do it. My birthday's April 20th, so I'm going to be stuck at home for my birthday, which, hell, I'm broke anyway, so I wouldn't be going anywhere. The main thing is that we all stay safe. So, anyways, guess what? We have got the May Ipsy bags. Yes, that's right. I've got Standard, Plus, and the Ultimate bag right here to show you. And let me tell you, they're gorgeous. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you don't miss no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was the BoxyCharm May spoilers found. Thank you so much, Kelly Angelo. Kelly says, hey girl, hope you're doing well. I'm doing okay, Kelly. Thank you so much for asking, honey. I hope you're also doing well. And I thank you so much for coming by to watch the video. I love you so much, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, I've got all three bags to show you, and these are the bags for May. And guys, let me just say, I think these bags are absolutely gorgeous. I think they done great with the May bags. So whoever is working up there at the Ipsy building, they need a pat on the back for doing these. So first one up is the Standard bag. Now, I love the faded look. I absolutely love it. Now this one is like a light pink faded into a yellow on the bottom. Absolutely beautiful. It looks nice and spring-like. Now next, let's look at the Plus bag. Now this one is like a baby sky blue, and it's faded into white, and the white fades into yellow, and it's got a yellow tassel. I think it's so cute. I love the tassel. It just gives it a little extra touch. Absolutely beautiful. Now last but certainly not least is the Ultimate bag. Now this is, it kind of looks like a fuchsia or maybe a rose pink, and it's faded into a yellow. And again, it's got the tassel on the zipper. It's a light pink tassel. Again, nice touch. I think it's absolutely adorable. I love this bag. If I were to pick a favorite though, y'all, I don't know. I kind of like the Plus bag, because you know it's got three colors that fade into each other. I think it's absolutely adorable. Then again, I do like that Standard one too, and the Ultimate. Y'all, I can't even make up my mind. Anyways, let me know below which bags y'all get, or which ones you would like to get. Which one do you like the best? And of course, as soon as they start revealing spoilers, I'll keep you guys updated. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Thank you so much, Haley Jude. Haley says, stay safe, y'all. Thank you so much. That is the one detail everybody needs to follow, is to stay safe. And I really appreciate you thinking about the other people in the comment section. And thank you for coming and watching my video, honey. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to unsubscribe people for no reason at all. But if you would double check that for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift. So y'all got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video. But you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.